Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing a recipe of quick and easy eggless cold dessert. In a saucepan, add half cup of milk, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Here I added half tablespoon of sugar 2 times, so total 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, mix well. Stir continuously till the milk starts boiling. Now the milk is boiling. Switch off the flame. Keep it aside. Melt 3 tablespoons of chocolate spread. Once the chocolate spread is melted, switch off the flame. Add 1 tablespoon of whipping cream. Mix well. In a bowl, add half cup of whipping cream. Beat it. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. Beat it. Add the melted chocolate spread. Beat it. Transfer the boiled milk into a bowl. Dip biscuits in the milk. Place them on the serving dish. Now add a layer of the whipped cream. Follow the same steps for the rest of the layers. After placing the last layer, cover the serving dish with a cling wrap. Refrigerate it for 4 to 5 hours. After removing from the refrigerator, remove the cling wrap. This yummy cold dessert is now ready. You can cut slices and eat. You can decorate this cold dessert with sprinkles. If you like my videos, then do click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video, so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.